Do you think there is any difference in this city 30 years ago compared at present?
Good afternoon. First of all, it's a pleasure to be back. As you say, many years ago, I remember we came with the best here in pre-season with best here. I was 17 years old. So it's, I have to say it's beautiful to be back. I see the same passion in the airport, in the hotel. The passion is huge about football here, so I'm sure tomorrow is going to be a beautiful night, a beautiful match. So I hope everybody enjoy.
Thank you. Sudah cukup.
I think I cannot do this anymore, but I'll be there in case of the team needs. I can try, but I think I'm gonna manage the team, and I hope they don't need me to play because I don't know how to play anymore.
So Ronaldo, should I prepare the jersey for you for tomorrow?
Just for a gift as well.
Yes. I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. Of course, when people think about me, they think when I was fast and dribbling and scoring goals, but I don't think it's a good idea to show me right now that condition, playing in very slow condition. But I mean, it's going to be fun, seeing all friends together and enjoy the match. I think it's going to be a beautiful night. So I hope the stadium is going to be full. Be there because it's going to be a beautiful day.
Sorry to interrupt. So in my time here, saying this, Ronaldo was the best striker that football has. Last week I had a strain in my thigh, so unfortunately I can't play tomorrow. And it's really devastating for me, but that's the way it is. So I unfortunately can't play tomorrow. But I'm happy to be here, that's what I said already. And the most important thing is that this agreement was already here, so I show my face like I do every time. And I'm happy to be back here.
Thank you.
We get directly to them to ask them to join your team.
For tomorrow? Well, no. I think I know everybody is coming for the match. Boss here organized very well. Everybody's coming. Everybody's here. So we didn't miss it. John Terry, I think we miss him because he felt a little sick yesterday night. But all the other players is here, so don't expect us to run faster than us before and play well as before, because it's not going to happen. We are old. the time is passed so fast to us, but it's going to be fun to be with all the players and with all the Indonesian fans again.
Okay.
That you have to explain later, but it was a little distraction for the match, but I don't think it really was a distraction to anyone there. I think it was only a stupid thing I did as a young football player, so it's not that big deal. We did this year in Brazil. For now, is happening in Brazil. We did a marketing commercial with a brand in Brazil worldwide called Doritos. Everybody knows Doritos, no? And they made a commercial that simulated my hairstyle as a Doritos. It is very famous now in Brazil. Everybody talk about the Doritos because of my hairstyle of 2002. But it wasn't Doritos' idea in the time. It was only stupid things I did.
But that's
Sorry, Ronaldo, do you realize, do you know, there's a 2 television series in Indonesia made by your haircut. Yeah, inspired by your haircut. There's a 2 TV series, like telenovela, based on your haircut in Indonesia.
You have to speak. You have to speak for the royalties.
Yeah, I need to see my words.
even my friend also having tattoo
Yeah.
with their haircuts.
You know, for years, I say sorry to the moms of the kids who made that haircut. For many years, and I'm still sorry for them that made this haircut at that time. And yeah, but became a hairstyle that people associated with something good, something the champion. Or when you talk about my hair, everybody remember 2002 and we winning the World Cup. So it's kind of good memory to me too.
Oke, kalau begitu sudah terjawab ya. Ternyata ceritanya seperti itu. Ketawa dong, ya. Ketawa ya. Dia seru itu MC-nya ketawa. Tomorrow and you already, yeah, okay, we will take a picture. And you already provide the jersey as well, Pak Reza. Okay. Pak Reza kecil banget ya. Terima kasih buat tepuk tangan dulu sekali lagi.